Meet Jane. She's a homeowner just like millions of others around the world. Unfortunately, just like many others, her home is at risk of flooding. In fact, flooding affects millions of homes every year, causing billions of dollars in damages. People who live in flood-prone areas are constantly facing the threat of rising water. Traditional flood protection methods such as sandbags and barriers just aren't cutting it. A growing number of insurance companies are no longer offering flood protection as part of their policies. People need a solution.
Flooding is a global issue, and every year, homeowners lose property, valuables, and even their sense of security. Traditional flood prevention systems, like sandbags and manually placed barriers, are incredibly labor-intensive, require maintenance, and often fail to provide reliable protection. Additionally, many insurance companies have completely removed flood protection from their programs. The time spent scrambling to prepare is precious, and once the floodwaters are in motion, every second counts. As climate change increases the frequency and severity of floods, the need for a faster, more reliable solution has never been more urgent.
Introducing FloodGuard, a groundbreaking flood prevention system that makes protecting your home easy, fast, and reliable. FloodGuard is made up of 3 key components. First, we install a aluminum metal framing system around vulnerable entry points like doors and windows. This framing serves as the base for the flood barrier and is custom fit for each home. Once the frame is in place, you never have to worry about reinstalling it.
Next, the flood barrier is engineered using a high-performance composite material. The material composition is carefully selected to achieve an ideal balance between flexibility, durability, and resistance. It consists of, first, 65% polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, a synthetic polymer renowned for its exceptional waterproofing properties. PVC's resistance to water permeation ensures protection against flooding. Next, 25% high-density polyethylene, or HDPE, a thermoplastic polymer characterized by its superior UV resistance, mechanical strength, and chemical resistance. HDPE enhances the barrier's ability to withstand floodwater chemicals and other environmental stressors. Lastly, 10% ABS, a high-strength impact-resistant polymer strategically incorporated into the barrier's corners and edges.
FloodGuard uses a system of neodymium magnets and electromagnets. Floodwaters exert significant pressure, combining hydrostatic and dynamic forces. For a 6-foot flood height, hydrostatic pressure alone reaches 2.6 psi. When floodwaters move at an average speed of 10 miles per hour, dynamic pressure adds 1.45 psi, resulting in a total pressure of 4.05 psi. On a typical window-sized barrier of 0.56 meters squared, this equates to a staggering force of 2,268 pounds. To counter these forces, FloodGuard utilizes neodymium magnets, each capable of holding up to 1,000 pounds. These magnets are strategically spaced to distribute and counteract the combined pressure efficiently. The deactivation mechanism, you might ask? An electromagnet. When the electromagnet is activated through the app, it creates a magnetic field that disrupts the alignment of the neodymium magnets. This disruption weakens the magnetic attraction, allowing the barrier to be easily removed without the need for manual effort. Now, let's talk about the app. With FloodGuard's mobile app, you have complete control over the system. From the comfort of your home, you can easily activate the electromagnet with just a tap. But that's not all. The app also provides real-time system diagnostics and notifications, ensuring that the flood prevention system is always ready for use.
The market for flood protection is massive. Every year, flood damage costs billions of dollars, and as climate change continues to worsen, the demand for effective solutions like FloodGuard will only grow. The global flood protection market is valued at over $3 billion and is projected to continue expanding. By offering a system that's affordable, quick to deploy, and reliable, FloodGuard is poised to revolutionize flood protection for homeowners worldwide. Look here, this is our financial model. Each year, floods affect 3.5 million homes globally and cost $75 million in damages. Average homeowners are paying $30,000 every flood, disregarding insurance claims. With just a 5% adoption rate, our financial model projects profits of over $115 million US. Additionally, the economic annual environment impact of our solution is projected to save governments worldwide $750 million. With this, we also save average homeowners $2 million worldwide.
We're confident that FloodGuard can make a real difference, not just in flood-prone areas, but for any residential or commercial property at risk of flooding. The system's flexibility and ease of use will provide homeowners with a new standard for flood protection.
Action. FloodGuard is more than just a product. It's a solution to a global problem. We're ready to bring this innovation to the market and provide families with the security they need when tragedy strikes.
Thank you for your time. Together, we can protect our homes from the devastating impact of floods. FloodGuard is here to change the way we think about flood protection. Stay safe, stay protected, choose FloodGuard.